When I tell people, yeah, I'm writing comedy, they're like, what? And then I have to explain. I was at the UN, I was trying to make peace, and then I couldn't do it. So now I'm doing it through comedy.
مرحبا، كيف حالكم؟ الأجانب رح يفكروا إنه كل العرض رح يكون بالعربي. You're like, who is this tall lady? Is she Iranian? Is she Jewish? Is she Arab? Should I be boycotting this show?
נועם שוסטר.
נועם שוסטר.
שלום נועם.
Mazel tov.
My parents said, let's not raise our kids to be normal Israelis. Let's move to the only place in the country where Jews and Palestinians live together by choice.
Dreaming of peace. Dreaming.
My best friend Ranin, she's a Palestinian. She looks like Gigi Hadid. I look like Ahmadinejad next to her.
Palestinians know the things that I'm saying.
Palestine Comedy Festival.
The oppressed doesn't come from an ignorant perspective, never.
I'm only staying for 7 minutes, not 70 years. Wallah.
The Jewish audience is where we have to work.
נועם שוסטר יחסי.
Not a good time to be leftist in Israel. Not fun. It's like nodding down. I just read the news. You're fucked.
אם אין דו-קיום פה, הרי יהרגו אותי. כאילו, אם אין דו-קיום פה, זה אומר שאין חיים לערבים פה.
In 24 hours, 1,000 people were killed in Gaza Strip.
המטרה שלי לא לאחד. המטרה שלי היא להראות קול של התנגדות לכוח מטורף פה שכולם נסחפו אחריו, כמו עיוורים.
My name is Noam, and this is my show, Coexistence My Ass.